I am Shailendra Kumar, Adarsha Vidyalaya, Gundlupete. Today we are learning 10th standard mathematics. New lesson, that's quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is called constant. And a very important condition you should remember here, a not equal to 0. It means that coefficient of x square shouldn't be equal to 0. If it become a 0, then the equation become a linear equation. So this condition is very important. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation because of two conditions. One, the power of x or exponent of the x is 2 and coefficient is not equal to 0. That's a very important condition. Now one more definition, see here. Any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0. P of x means it's a polynomial. It's given here where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2. Okay, second degree polynomial. Then it's called as quadratic equation. Equation means there should be equal to 0. Okay, that's very important condition. Then what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, it's very important point. Note down here, x square plus x plus 1 is the polynomial, but x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a equation. Okay, here see the difference. Here equal to 0 is not there, so we say that it's an algebraic expression or polynomial. Here equal to 0 or equal symbol is there, so we say that it's a equation. It's very important condition. Okay, next we are going to study exercise. Here we have to check whether the followings are quadratic equations or not. We have to check whether the degree of the polynomial after simplification is 2 or not. That's it. Okay, now what is the problem he is given here? X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay, now see here, first simplify this one. X plus 1 whole square is in right hand side. Okay, x plus 1 whole square, we have to apply here a plus b whole square formula. The value of a is x and value of b is 1. Substitute here x square, a value is x, so plus 2 into a value x, b value 1 plus 1 square. Okay, simplify. X square is x square, 2 ones is 2, 1 square is 1. Okay, now the value of x plus 1 whole square we got here, that's x square plus 2x plus 1. Now write below the equation, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to right hand side 2 into x minus 3. Now simplify the right hand side. It's a 2 into x, 2x, 2 3s are 6, sign minus. Okay, now simplify x square. Here 2x get cancelled. The remaining number is 1 is equal to minus 6. Okay, now take this minus 6 to left hand side, it become the plus 6. So the equation become x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So it's in the form of quadratic equation. Actually this quadratic equation is called pure quadratic equation because here coefficient of x is 0. Okay, it's very important. Okay, now test yourself. Just take down the problem. It's there in the exercise also, second one, first main, second problem and the sixth problem. Okay, it's very simple. Simplify. Next, one more problem, that's x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. First, take down the problem. See here, what we did here. It's very simple and easy. See here, first term into the full one, x into x plus 1, minus 2 into second full binomial, minus 2 into x plus 1. Now, simplify x into x, x square, x into 1, 1x. Now here is minus 2x, 2 ones are 2, it's minus 2. Now simplify, that's x square, here plus 1 minus 2, it become minus 1, here minus 2 as it is. Okay, we took here left hand side first. Now take right hand side. Okay, what is there in the right hand side? X minus 1 into x plus 3, same again. If you know how to multiply directly, then you can multiply directly. Okay, now we are doing here step by step. X into second binomial, x plus 3, minus 1 into x plus 3. Now how to multiply? You know, x into x, x square, and here x into 3, 3x, here minus 1 into x, minus 1x, 3 1s are 3, so it's minus 3. Now simplify, x square, here plus 2x, since plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2, and last constant is minus 3. Okay, now we got here left hand side and right hand side. Now equate them, then it becomes here this value, x square minus 1x minus 2 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we have to write this value, x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now simplify. Here x square get cancelled. They have the both coefficient, same coefficient and same sign, so they get cancelled. The remaining is minus 1x minus 2 is equal to plus 2x minus 3. Now in this equation, see the degree of the x, final equation, degree of x is 1. Here also degree of the equation is 1. So we say that the degree of the polynomial is 1, so it's not a quadratic equation. Okay, that's very important. Okay, let me take one more problem, that's x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Here also we are doing the same. First we are taking LHS, that's x plus 2 whole cube. For that we have to apply formula, that's a plus b whole cube formula you have studied in the 9th standard. Okay, now apply the value of a and b, substitute, you will get x cube plus 3 into a value is x, so x square into b value is 2 into 2 plus 3x 2 square plus 2 cube. Okay, next simplify, you will get here x cube, here it's 3 2s are 6, 6x square, here 2 square is 4, so 4 3 is 12, x plus 8. Okay, next we are taking RHS. What is there in the RHS? 2x into x square minus 1. Now just multiply, it becomes 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, now we have to equate LHS and RHS values. Okay, now that's the value. Okay, see here the same value, copy down here. Next, take this 2x cube minus 2x to the left side. Okay, next simplify, it becomes here here x cube, here minus 2x cube, so it's a minus 1x cube, or it's a minus x cube itself. 6x square, here only single term we have, so you must write 6x square only. Now here plus 12x, and here we have plus 2x. So we have to add, it become 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now see the degree, it's 3. Okay, third degree equation, so it's not the quadratic equation. Okay, that's very important. Okay, now just see your homework, take down, because we did the same problems in the previous problem. In the 8th problem, see here, x minus 2 whole cube is there, so you must apply a minus b whole cube formula. Okay, now represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. You have to write in the form of quadratic equation what is given in the problem. Here it's they are the verbal problems, very important problem. First you have to convert into equation. Okay, the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice the breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, what is given here? Area is given, that's 228 meters square, and breadth is given x, and length here what is given, this statement is very important. One more means plus. Okay, one more, 1 plus, then twice means 2 times the breadth is x, so it's 2x, one more than twice the breadth. Okay, it's very important. Now you have the formula, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now area is given 528, L here L is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. Okay, here places interchanged, there is no problem, just multiply x into 2x, that's 2x square, x into 1, it become x only. Okay, let me take one more problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, then what is given here? Consecutive. Then what do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means following each other, means continuous. For example, 1, 2 difference is 1, and 15, 16 difference is 1, and here 50, 51. Here what condition is given? Consecutive positive integers, continuous positive integer. Okay, so you know the difference should be equal to 1 and it should be positive only. Okay, now let the first integer is equal to x, the next integer is x plus 1 because the difference is 1. Okay, what is given in the statement? The product of two consecutive integers. Product means we have to multiply. Okay, positive integer is 306, so just multiply the first integer and the second integer, that is x, into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now just multiply, that's x into x, x square plus 1x is equal to 306. Okay, here there is no need of finding the value of x because in the question what is given? Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, we have to write just equation. Here we are going to consider one more problem. That's Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. It means 26 more. Yes or no? More means plus. The product of their age, we have to multiply their age when 3 years from now. Extra means you have to add 3 to the present year. Yes or no? Will be 306. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay, now Rohan's present age is x. After 3 years from now his age become x plus 3, right? okay, because three more from now. Now we have to write her his mother age. Present age is 26 more than Rohan's age. It means that you have to add 26 to Rohan's age, so it become 26 plus Rohan's age we took as x, so it's a 26 plus x. From now, 3 years later from now, see here, present age is 26 plus x. 3 years later means you have to add 3 more years. Okay, now just add, that's 26 plus 3 is 29 plus x. Now what is given in the statement? Product of their age, you have to multiply. When 3 years from now, okay, 3 years later will be 360. Okay, will be means equal sign. Now here, see here, their age, x plus 3, that's Rohan age, and 29 plus x is his mother age, is equal to, will be 360. Product is 360 is given in the problem. You know how to multiply. First term into full binomial, x into 29 plus x, 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. Okay, if you know how to multiply directly, you can multiply. Now multiply 29x, here x is x square, here just multiply, it become 87, and here 3x is equal to 360. After simplification you will get this equation. Okay, you can simplify this one. Once again, it's a quadratic equation. We have to simplify for the x. Okay, let me consider one more important problem. A train travels a distance of 380 kilometers at a uniform speed. Here distance is given. Okay, if the speed had been 8 kilometer less, if its speed become 8 kilometer less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. It means that suppose it takes 10 hours in the first, after reducing its speed by 8 kilometers, it takes 3 hours more, means 13 hours. Okay, from now, that's very important here. Okay, what is given here? Distance is 480 kilometers, time difference is 3 hours, and speed, we took speed as x kilometers. What is given? 8 kilometer. If the speed had been 8 kilometer less means we have to reduce. Okay, we have to minus. Okay, so it become x minus 8. Okay, and one more thing you should remember here, that's time distance relation formula. Time is equal to distance traveled by speed. Okay, what is given here? The time difference is given. It takes 3 or more, means the difference between the times is 3 hours is given. It means minus, we have to minus. Okay, there should be 2 times, one larger time and the smaller time, but we have the formula for the time. That's the distance traveled by speed minus distance traveled by speed is equal to time. It's given. Okay, now see here, distance is given 480 and divided by speed, x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x is equal to 3. Time is given. Okay, but here you should remember x minus 8 is the larger number, smaller number than the x. Okay, it means that 480 divided by x minus 8 is larger than 480 divided by x. Why this one? You should remember, if the denominator is the smaller, then the number is larger or fraction is larger one. Here also, see here, x minus 8 is larger than smaller than x. Yes or no? Yes or no? X minus 8 is smaller than x. So this fraction is larger than this one. So you must write this one first and this one next. Is equal to time is 3 hours. Okay, next, you know how to take LCM. Here there is no common in the denominators, so just multiply x into x minus 8, x into x minus 8. Then it's become 480x. Here cross multiply, that's 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Next, simplify by cross multiplying. The numerator is 480x minus 480x, minus into minus plus 480 into 8 is 3840 is equal to, now cross multiply here, then it become 3x into x minus 8. Now simplify, it become here 3840 is equal to